Non-Medical. We are students of Swami Vivekananda Senior Secondary School, Aliyanwali, Sisa. We are representing our model Smart Ceiling Fan Direction Controller for Energy Saving and Comfort in Viksit Bharat Beta in 2025. If the ceiling fan is spinning clockwise, it makes the room warmer, and if the ceiling fan is spinning anti-clockwise, it cools the room. So if the room feels hot and the fan is going clockwise, so switch it. There is usually a little black button on the surface of the fan to change the direction.
I am Bhavna from class +1 non-medical.
I am Mansi from class 9. Our title is Smart Ceiling Fan Direction Controller for Energy Saving and Comfort.
Product statement. Most people use ceiling fans only for cooling in the summer. However, they are not aware that the fan's direction of rotation affects air circulation.
Clockwise rotation in winter pulls the home air down and keep the room warmer. And anti-clockwise rotation in summer push the cool air down and make the room cooler. Proposed solution: use a temperature sensor in a fan system. Use a microcontroller to read room temperature. If the temperature is high in summer, fan rotates anti-clockwise for cooling, and if the temperature is low in winter, the fan moves clockwise for cooling. Add a manual switch or mobile app for user controller, and device can be low cost and retrofit using existing ceiling fan.
Expected outcomes: energy saving, reduce need for heaters and air conditioners, comfortable living, automatic adjustment keep room pleasant in all season. Awareness: educate people about correct fan usage. Affordable innovation can be implemented in both rural and urban houses. Eco-friendly, low carbon footprints by minimizing excess energy use. Social impact. Social impact helps households save on electricity bills, reduce dependency on fossil fuels.
I am Nakshi from +2 non-medical. Now I am represent the prototype of our model Smart Ceiling Direction Controller for Energy Saving and Comfort. Now I am represent our model Smart Ceiling Fan. If use temperature controller sensor. When we attach this temperature controller sensor with the ceiling fan, it helps in two ways. The ceiling fan is spinning clockwise, it make warm air, and the ceiling fan is spin anti-clockwise, it push the air down and help in cool the room. So if room feels hot and fan it and clockwise switch it, there usually a little black switch in on the air based on the fan direction change. Thank you.